Hey, my awesome friends. Another great week is starting. I'm so excited to finally be starting our new writing unit. So, our new writing unit is our persuasive writing unit. We are going to be using our awesome skills and our strategies for our writing pieces to show and convince others about our opinion. So, this week is Earth Day. Later on this week, we're going to be talking all week about Earth Day and things that we can do to make the world a better place. So, what other great thing can we do but to write about it? So, as writers, we want to make not only our home, our school, our community, but the world a better place, especially in the kind of situation that we are in now. So, it's just awesome that we get to finally write about it. So, for our writing activity today, as persuasive writers, we want to make the world a better place. But because it's our first writing piece for persuasive, we're going to kind of focus on our school. So, real quick, I want you to really think hard about some place in our school that may not be a safe place because we want it to be safe, but some places may not be safe. And what I mean by that, I mean maybe it is the cafeteria. You may see people leaving food on the floor. Maybe it's the hallway, people are running. Maybe it's the playground outside, people are running. So, as persuasive writers, we want to first think about a problem. We want to think about that problem. We want to really be able to understand what that problem is. And the second thing I want you to do, I want you to think about reasons why they are not safe. So, like, for example, how I just talked about the playground. If you think, wow, man, the playground it's an awesome place, but it may not be such a safe place all the time because friends are sliding down the slide, like two or three people at a time. They're bumping into everybody. They are running around too fast and not paying attention. So we want to first think and see a problem. And number two, we want to think about reasons why that place is not safe. And for our persuasive writing, we want to use our really convincing ideas. You want to be able to tell your opinion. So that means tell me what you think. Tell me what you feel. Why do you not think it's safe? Why do you think that it needs to be, people need to follow the rules more in order to make all of our friends safe? So today during our writing your free write journal, I want you to first think about a place in our school that is not safe. Bathroom, hallway, maybe even our classroom. And the second thing, I want you to think about reasons why it is not safe. Okay, today I want you to only focus on two reasons why, because each day we're going to add a little bit more to our writing. So, for the first thing, think about a problem. And number two, think about two reasons why that place is not safe. Okay, my friends, I cannot wait to see your writing. You don't have to upload your journal today because later on throughout the week we're just going to be adding a little bit each day, and then once we're done, I'll let you be able to read and record yourself and upload. So, my awesome writers, I cannot wait to see the end result. Great job! Have fun.